Today's kanji word is
八百屋。
It means vegetable shop. Let's learn more. First,
8OR や
it means number 8, or to split apart. Next,
100、
it means number 100. Finally,
億 OR や
it means house, building, or shop. Say it with me.
八百屋。
The onyomi reading
800、
is rare, so just use yaoya for vegetable shop. Long ago, in Japanese villages, there were many small shops. They sold rice, miso, vegetables, fruits, almost everything. People called this
八百。
yao, literally means 8 times 100, a great many. Add ya, meaning shop, and it became yaoya, a shop selling many things. During the Edo period, these shops mainly sold vegetables and fruits. So today, yaoya means vegetable shop. Now, let's learn how to write.
八百屋。
yaoya,
Let's see it again.
八百屋。
yaoya,
Now, let's use yaoya in real-life sentences. Sentence 1.
八百屋でトマトを買いました。
I bought tomatoes at the vegetable shop.
八百屋でトマトを買いました。八百屋でトマトを買いました。
八百屋でトマトを買いました。
Sentence 2.
八百屋は朝から賑やかです。
The vegetable shop is lively from the morning.
八百屋は朝から賑やかです。八百屋は朝から賑やかです。
八百屋は朝から賑やかです。
One more time, today's word is
八百屋。
yaoya,
and the next one.
夢。
yume.
Enjoyed the lesson? Hit subscribe, give the video a like, and ring the bell, so you never miss our next Japanese lesson.